welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be speed building the SLO-MO market. So I'm actually building this because I'm gonna do a thunderstorm roleplay next, and I think I'm scheduling a morning routine to post before this, but I'm just doing a speed build because I've noticed like I haven't been so active, but it's summertime, so I can get to relax now. So I'm gonna try and post as much as I can. But yeah, so I don't really think I have anything else to say, so I'll just stop talking for now. Hey guys, I'm back again. So I just wanted to say also thank you so much for 460 subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I could have sworn we were just at 300 a while ago, so I'm really thankful. And yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the thing called store items, like a poster or whatever you want to call it. Well, that's because earlier in this video I said I'm going to be creating a thunderstorm roleplay. So in that roleplay, it's going to consist of me doing, it's going to consist of like the twins being at school and Sophia being at school, but then a big thunderstorm is gonna happen, so then they're gonna have to go home, and then the mom in the roleplay is gonna have to come to the grocery store, and it's gonna be a lot of chaos. So yeah, stay tuned.